Welcome to GP Bullhound's Tech Thoughts. Today is the 11th of February, and we're here with Inge Heydorn and Nejla-Selma for our weekly market roundup. Today, they will give an update on semis, software, and gaming. Over to them.
Thank you, Maria. Let's start with semis then. And we now have the data from Taiwan in January. TSMC up 36% year over year and even 10% month on month. UMC, similar picture. Vanguard, similar picture. And also Vanguard, which is on the lower end, so the car industry segment is giving a very, very strong guidance for 2022. So January started off very, very strong. I know there's always some worries about January because of the Chinese New Year's and holidays and so on, and inventory correction, but it looks really, really strong, even stronger than expected. Going over to software then. Software has been a little bit of a problem area in the last 6 months due to the fact that people were worried about the COVID overhang and what's the real underlying growth and so on. I think we now have the answer. Yes, there are some companies, DocuSign, Zoom and so on, that has had a hyper growth during COVID. Growth rates are coming down and adjustments are done to the valuation on the back of that. But if you look over on our software at HubSpot yesterday, Datadog before, the strength is in all verticals. Yes, we have even accelerating growth on the cloud solution sides, but even on the front end, we have very, very strong numbers. So in software, I think now we're more up to what type of valuation should we have on the growth. I think investors now are more comfortable with the growth stories. So now it's just a valuation story. And that leaves me to gaming and Nejla.
Thank you, Inge. And yes, let's do a little quick update about gaming then. I'll start out by talking about Take-Two, who reported on the 7th and beat Wall Street earnings estimates for December quarter. But its bookings and guidance were below views and estimates on thin game lineup. Revenue of 866 million, year over year of 6%, misses estimates by 1.8 million. So I would say not that much growth. Looking ahead to fiscal year 2023, they confirmed a standalone version of GTA Online coming March 15, 2022. 2K and 4Xs games remain deeply immersed in the development of Marvel's Midnight Suns, one of the most exciting upcoming releases, which will launch this fall. That's super exciting. Going over to Krafton, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds owner released its financial results, reporting a 13% year-over-year increase in revenue to 1.57 billion for 2021. However, the South Korean publisher's net profit was down 6.5% compared to last year. However, revenues was up 26%. And with regards to game revenue, PUBG Battlegrounds earned $334 million throughout 2021, whereas PUBG Mobile generated $1.18 billion in consumer spending during the years, and that's super amazing. In addition to financials, the publisher shared details on its upcoming slate of titles. Project M, which is a working title by Unknown Worlds, is scheduled for early access in 2022. Lastly, looking at the Nintendo Direct, which was super impressive. The lineup is so deep, and I mean there were plenty games that looked super cool to me. So I would say exciting things are coming. That's it. Thank you for today, and see you next week.